Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Government spending just jumped, and this one is fast. Figure out what happens in the short run to real output and the price level. An increase in government spending raises aggregate demand, so businesses see more demand for goods and services, and that pushes the whole economy toward producing more output. Since the problem says no crowding out, private spending is not being offset, so the government boost stays strong and aggregate demand keeps shifting right. In the short run, that rightward demand shift raises real output and also bids up the overall price level, so both move upward together. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing signs. Rule, trust the given condition, then check each step so output and prices both increase.